Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the Revised Penal Code in general. Ano nga ba itong the Revised Penal Code na ito? The Revised Penal Code or Act No. 3815 contains the general penal laws of the Philippines. Ito yung batas kung saan yung mga pangkalahatang krimen ay nakapaloob, such as murder, robbery, theft, etc. Hindi po lahat ng krimen ay nakapaloob dito. Yung iba nakaseparate na batas. Example, yung cybercrimes. Noong 1930, wala pa namang computers or at least wala pa sa Pilipinas. So ang mga crime na related dito ay hindi pa pinaparusahan. However, ngayon ginawa na ito ng batas sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng isang Republic Act. Kailan naman itong the Revised Penal Code naging batas? It was enacted on December 8, 1930. And ito pa rin ang ginagamit natin ngayon dito sa Pilipinas, although madami nang na-amend at na-repeal sa original code. Example nito ay yung mga penalties. Dati yung mga fine ay nasa 300 to 500 pesos. Ngayon nasa 40,000 pataas na. Kailan naman siya naging effective? It took effect on January 1, 1932. Let's go to its composition. The Revised Penal Code consists of two books, Book 1 and Book 2. 20 titles, 5 titles under Book 1, and 15 titles under Book 2, and 367 articles. Book 1 contains provisions on felonies and circumstances which affect criminal liability, persons criminally liable for felonies, penalties, extinction of criminal liability, and civil liability. Book 2 makes provisions for crimes against national security and the law of nations, crimes against the fundamental laws of the state, crimes against public order, crimes against public interest, crimes relative to opium and other prohibited drugs, crimes against public morals, crimes committed by public officers, crimes against persons, crimes against personal liberty and security, crimes against property, crimes against chastity, crimes against the civil status of persons, crimes against honor, and quasi-offenses. Title 15 is about the application of the law and repealing clause. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.